Hello everyone, let's talk about blockchain technology. Blockchain is a chain of blocks that contains information or a system of recording information in a way that makes it difficult or impossible to change, hack or cheat the system. Let's take a close look of a block. Each block contains some data, the hash of a block and hash of a previous block. A blockchain is essentially a digital ledger of transactions that is duplicated and distributed across the entire network of a computer system on the blockchain. Blockchain is a type of distributed ledger technology in which transactions are recorded with an immutable cryptographic signature called a hash. This means if one block in one chain was changed, it would be immediately apparent it had been tampered with. If hackers want to corrupt a blockchain system, they would have to change every block in the chain across all the distributed versions of the chain. That's why it is so secure.